Hey, Edgar's from Funneltopia here. I wanted to quickly show you that there's now more added flexibility when it comes to the date field in your documents and contracts. So in case you didn't know, documents and contracts section in Funneltopia, that's like a full DocuSign, let's say as an example, DocuSign replacement. So make sure to go check it out if you haven't. But then when it comes to the date field, let's just say, yeah, we have some sort of a document. Let's check out this mess. So at the bottom here, we want to add a date element. So up until now, if I remember correctly, you can just put in any date, right? But there might be some cases where, let's drag in the date element over here, where you need it to be like today's date or I don't know, a future date or whatever. You need to kind of limit it. Like I see like oftentimes as an example, yeah, you need it to be today's date. You need to know when they signed it or so that shows up. So if you click on it over here, available dates, if you click on it, you can select today's date, right? So they can only be today's date. Also, you can select future date, past date, or any date. I think this was the default one all up until now. And yeah, so that kind of gives you kind of stricter, not guidelines, but like it just kind of limits people to whatever it needs to be, whatever the contract might require, right? So today's date, that's a big one, big request. And I think that's a cool little new additional feature. And yeah, make sure to go check that out. And any questions about contracts, Funneltopia, anything, click on down here, 24/7 chat support, let us know. But if you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.